Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Virgos. For your general energies, career situation and relationship, we'll be picking few cards. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. So these are for your general energies, Virgos. And for your love situation, we are picking one card and one card for the message from your person. So that will be what they want to tell you today, guys, Virgos. So we will start with the cards for your general energies, and I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity, you can watch that reading. So let's start with these cards. And if you are interested in a personal reading, Virgos, I'll be sharing my friend's link in the description. You can contact her. She is a very good intuitive reader. So let's start with these cards for your general energies. So in your circumstances today, you are seeing good changes, positive changes, something that is bringing more clarity, understanding in your relationship, and a lot of opportunities in your career. Circumstances are changing. Circumstances are changing in a very positive way for you all today. Something that uses your talents and skills, and something that is using your potential, and you are really happy for these changes because it is bringing a lot of opportunities, success and prosperity in your life, and you have happiness and contentment today. And it is something like an adventure coming in your life, happening in your life, something that is challenging you, and it is engaging you in a very positive way. You feel really happy for the way things are going. The same may be true in your relationship. Maybe with this person you have a beautiful understanding, harmony and balance in this relationship, and things are working out well. You have a good understanding with each other, and day by day your relationship is growing more deeper and more stronger, and you are truly happy because you feel that this person is someone really loyal, trustworthy and reliable, and you both share mutual love, trust and understanding, and things are going in a very positive way. Maybe you're thinking of the next step. So this may be your energy or your person's energy. Maybe they are thinking of marriage or commitment to you. So some positive changes or positive opportunities are what I see with these cards, Virgos, in your circumstances. And you are a person who is a very devoted person. So no matter what, you stand by the choices you make, and you support this person, you love them, and things are gaining momentum between you both. Circumstances are gaining momentum. Maybe you're thinking of marriage, or they are thinking of marriage or proposal. So they are planning to propose, maybe. That is what I see with these cards. So let's see what is your love guidance. We have this card, no place like home. So with this card, it just means that when you are having that honest intentions in this relationship, when you love this person and when you express that love through your actions and words, you are just going to feel so emotionally satisfied, safe and secure in this relationship, and you are building a beautiful relationship together. That is the energy here. So this card just means that you need to be true to your feelings. So if you love this person, when you truly express that love, you are going to see that love being reciprocated in a beautiful way. That is the energy here with this card, guys, for you all today. So let's see what is the message for you all from this person. You are all I have ever wanted. Such a beautiful card message. Maybe they feel that you are the person for them, and maybe they are coming to propose to you. And the reason may be because they want you and they love only you, Virgos. So that is the energy here with this card, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Virgos. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds. Open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's see what is the first card for you all. I will keep this card aside. For those who chose this card, Tamlin, battle. So in your circumstances today, maybe you're facing lot of struggles, some difficult circumstances are there for you, or it may be for someone you love. But you are a person who is a strong, determined person. So if you make a choice, if you are in a relationship, you stand by this person you love and you support this person no matter what. So this may be your energy or your person's energy towards you. So they support you through thick and thin. Whatever happens, they stand by you and they want to stand by you because they are a trustworthy and reliable person. So maybe for some of you, you are involved in some kind of a lawsuit or some kind of a litigation, something really, something demanding your attention and something that is stressing you a lot. But you are a person who is strong, who is determined, or you have someone strong and determined standing by you, helping you out in this darkest moment of your life and making you feel better. So this person is a good friend and they are someone you can rely on. Or for some of you, you have a friend. It may not be your person, but it may be your friend, a close friend or a sibling who stands by you and who is here to help you through your hard times. And you will come out of this difficulty very soon, guys. That is also what I see. So this is just like some kind of a test or something that is happening to bring about some changes in you or bring about some changes in your circumstances. But these circumstances are not going to last forever. So you can be happy for that. So that is the energy here with this card, and this may be the time you have a lot of ideas, a lot of vision about your future, what needs to be done, and you will know what will work because you have a lot of experience now. So that is the energy here with this card. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, this is a Crystal Spirits card, guys. It says Rose Quartz. So the energy with this card, maybe in our life we often go through a lot We face a lot of circumstances, different circumstances, and we often forget what we are, what is our worth, and how amazing we are. And this crystal spirit just reminds us that we are good enough, and we are good enough as we are. No need to change ourselves and no need to compare ourselves with someone else. So we have our own inner strengths that will help us, that will that will amplify our potential and our success, help us in our day-to-day work, help us to be strong, smart, playful, confident, whatever quality we have within ourselves. So we have everything we need, and we need not yearn for something we are not, comparing ourselves with another person. So this crystal spirit card just shows us that we need it just helps us to express love, and this love also includes self-love. So we need to understand that each and every one of us are unique in our own way, and we are just enough as we are. So no need to feel sad or bad for what we are. So when we truly embrace our qualities, we are just going to shine through in our life. So that is the energy here with this card, guys. So that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.